Hello, my dear students. We saw the last class the definition of the trigonometry and basic needs of the trigonometry. Now we can see the relation of between sides and angles, the parts of triangles, and all we can see basic trigonometry. Parts of right triangle. ABC is a right triangle. At angle C, the 90 degree. Imagine that you are at angle A, looking into the triangle. The hypotenuse will always be the longest side and opposite from the right triangle. The adjacent side is the side next to angle A. The opposite side is the side that is on the opposite side of the triangle from angle A. Now imagine that you move from angle A to angle B. From angle B, the adjacent side is the side next to angle B. From angle B, the opposite side is the side that is on the opposite side of the triangle. Review. Hypotenuse from angle A, opposite side, adjacent side. From angle B, hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. Now I think you are clear about how to take the parts of the triangle, how to take the opposite side and adjacent side. If it is clear, then trigonometry is nothing for you. You have to think about that how to take the sides. Always opposite of the angle is opposite side and at near to the angle is the adjacent side. The ratios, how the ratios will take. Using angle A, to name the sides, we can use the lengths of the sides of a right triangle to form ratios. There are 6 different ratios that can be made. Opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, opposite by adjacent side, hypotenuse by opposite side, hypotenuse by adjacent side by opposite side. Use angle B to name the sides. The ratios are still the same as before. Each of the 6 ratios has a name. The name also refers to an angle. These are the 6 ratios. Sine of angle A, opposite by hypotenuse, cosine of angle A, adjacent by hypotenuse, tangent of angle A, opposite by adjacent, cosecant of angle A, hypotenuse by opposite side, secant of angle A, hypotenuse by adjacent side, cotangent of angle A, adjacent by opposite. If the angle changes from A to B, the sine of angle A, cosine of angle A, tangent of angle A, cosecant of angle A, secant of angle A, and cotangent of angle A will change to the way the ratio of the angle B. That is opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, opposite by adjacent, hypotenuse by opposite, and hypotenuse by adjacent, adjacent by opposite. The ratios will be same, but how take the sides, that is the importance. So definition of these ratios are not changing with the angle, but the sides how we will take that will change. So be careful while taking the sides. Each of these ratios has an abbreviations. Sine of angle A will write as sine A, cos of angle A will write as cos A, tangent of angle A will write tan A, cosecant of angle A will write cosec A, and secant of angle A will write sec A, cotangent of angle A will write as cot A. From now on, we will focus on just the sine, cosine and tangent ratios. Only three ratios: sine, cosine and tangent. Sine A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan A equal to opposite by adjacent side. Trigonometric ratios. These are the definitions, as well as we can say as formulas also. And here is a way to remember how to make the three basic trig ratios. Identify the opposite and adjacent sides for the opposite appropriate angles. So-ca-to is pronounced su-ca-to, and it means sine, the S cap first letter is opposite the O first letter over hypotenuse, the high H first letter. So SOH. Plus cos C first letter, adjacent A first letter, H the first letter. Cos A is adjacent over hypotenuse. So CAH. And tan is opposite over adjacent, that is tan first letter, O first letter, A first letter, that is to, TOA, to. So, so-ca-to. Put the underlined letters to root so-ca-to. Examples of trig ratios. Suppose a triangle we can take as PQR with the sides 12, 20 and 16. Here when we are taking the angle P, the 16 will be the opposite side and the 12 will be the adjacent side, then 20 will be the longer side and it is the hypotenuse. Now remember, so-ca-to, sine P, O is opposite 16 and hypotenuse 20. So sine P equal to 16 by 20. Cos P equal to 12 by 20. 12 is the adjacent side A and hypotenuse H 20. So cos P equal to 12 by 20. Tan P equal to T A T O A. So 16 by 12. O is the opposite 16 and the adjacent is 12. Next, we will find the sine, cosine and tangent ratios of angle Q. Sine Q. You see the changes in the sides. The opposite changes to the 12 and adjacent changes to 16. So now it is 12 by 20. Cos Q equal to 16 by 20. Tan Q equal to 12 by 16. Like this way the ratios we can take. This is only one example. When we are getting the more problems, we can do more things. Then now watch this video and give me the comments through like and subscribe. Then according to your request, I will upload more videos. Thank you one and all.